Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat suffering in with free online tradingeducation.com. Give you a trade that we had this morning in the GrokStar Room. Today's lesson is on patience and persistence. Let's talk about a trade that we had there on the GrokStar. It was on Target, TGT. Now, they had some earnings this morning and were dropped, and they opened actually at minus 2.4%. But what you don't see here is in the pre-market, it was running up to this point, and then it started to pull back right after opening. And look at this, it tagged the $58 line even and started to roll up. So I said, let's set an order here and get ready to go long. If you want to know more about that bull pullback or pullback buy, you can go to our site, free online, tradingeducation.com, to the free chart school right here. Hey, speaking of chart school, we have a class coming up. It's kind of like speed learning in about 20 to 25 minutes. We're going to talk to you all about candlestick patterns and possible reversal patterns. Right here, you can go to upcoming events on Thursday night at 9 o'clock Eastern Time, or we repeat it again on Friday afternoon at 1 o'clock Eastern Time, or if it's Saturday morning works better for you at 10:30. Again, it's up 30 minutes or less. You can learn a lot about it. Des will be leading that class for us. So if you want to sign up for that, just click on that. They'll tell you about the class and an opportunity for you to sign up. So anyway, back to our free chart school here. We go down here, and the particular pattern we're looking for is a pullback buy. So we click on that. And here's a written description of it, and then here is a picture of it, where again, this is in pre-market, it ran up like that, and then it pulled back to a line of support. In this case, it was the $58 area, and then starting to roll up. It's a bullish position. If it does that, we want to go long. So it came up to here, pulled back to the line of support, 58 bucks, and starting to roll up. We got our order ready to go, and here we go. Boom, and there it goes. It pops right up here, and I got in at $58.55. I am long on target, TGT, and then it immediately started to pull back. So I set my stop down here just below this $58 support line. That's about a 1% stop, and this is my stop line. I'm going to show you how I managed that throughout this trade. And it did pull back, and it got a higher swing low here. That's more bullish than bearish, and it came up here and then hit its head here on the high of day again, and it's not looking so bullish. So this is a real patience trade, folks. But now I'm going to bring my stop up here to this 58.10 area, take a little bit of risk out. That was that prior swing low. And now look at this. We have an ascending triangle, and boom, it finally broke out above that. So I'm going to use this 20 moving average here, and I'm going to place my stop right under that. Pull back here. Boom! Finally, we get the breakout. And I am still long, and we're back in the money now. And as far as where price action is, my stop is not quite to break even. And then where to hit its head? $59 exactly. Pull back. See that 59? It's even dollar amounts every single time, right? Now, so it's high basing up here. So now I'm going to bring my stop up here to the 58.80 area. I'm now in the money, zero risk in the trade, and it's still going up here. Now I'm bringing my stop up to here, up to the $59 area. It's still going up there, and it's now a high basing up that way. So I'm bringing up my stop, pulling my stop up here to the 20 moving average. It's starting to pull back, and then bam, as it broke this 20 moving average right here, it did stop me out at 59.17 for 1.0% in 1 hour and 3 minutes. Now that is called patience and persistence, isn't it? Well, it reminds me of the quote from Dave Ramsey, and he said that, in Aesop's fable, The Tortoise and the Hare, every time I read that story, the tortoise wins. Trade well.